There is a lot of talk about the superiority of this brand new AI bot dubbed ChatGPT. What is its true potential for internet revenue generation? I'll outline 7 distinct methods in this video for you to use this free bot to accomplish just that and earn money online. It's good to have a free virtual assistant who can do a lot of various things for you, including helping you earn some additional money online. Even though I've never been against hard work and believe that's basically the best thing you can do, so settle in, as we discuss 7 various ways you may utilize Chat and free GPT to earn money online. It can be used to create content that can be sold or used to attract advertising revenue. For example, you could use ChatGPT to write articles, create social media posts, or generate ideas for new products or services. You could also use it to create chatbots or virtual assistants that can be used by businesses to automate customer service or sales tasks. Today, I want to demonstrate how to use it to generate online income. And as I mentioned, the first method you can utilize it to earn money online is by completing various projects. As a result, if you're a student, it's entirely okay for you to complete the assignment yourself. However, another option is to just visit studypool.com. And this is a platform where other students will go when they have homework to view and they don't want to do it themselves, or they don't feel like doing it themselves. Instead, they will pay someone like either everyday people like me or you to do the homework for them, to do an assignment for them, or to do anything else. You can see that you can make up to 7.5 months worth of pay by going to studypool.com, clicking on Become an Instruct, and working from home to tutor other students and assist them with their assignments. So, if, for instance, some of those kids had a World War II related task, you could simply go back and talk with GPT, and ask him if he could compose an assignment regarding the conflict. After a short while, this AI bot will begin writing a complete assignment that you may submit to the study pool and get paid $20, $30, or $40 for, depending on how much the student is paying you for that specific assignment. Thus, I'm simply using this one as an illustration, but you'll be able to see that the material of this is genuinely of a very good caliber because they conduct extensive research and visit several websites. Similar to how the AI bot simply enters the backend and utilizes all the info. I'm not sure how the AI bot operates, but it genuinely produces pretty good stuff, which I can then republish on Studypool and profit from. So, employing an AI bot to generate income is your second option. The second approach is through Naming Force, a website that you may access through this link. You see, namingforce.com is a website where firms, new companies, and businesses go to obtain business name suggestions so that they may come up with a name for their company. And they'll have a competition in which the winning name will receive something like $300. You only need to submit various names. Additionally, you will receive hundreds of dollars for your name if it is chosen, your name concept is chosen, and it is approved. You can also discover who has already finished things by going to the conference section. For instance, this one pays $300, $200, $100, and so on for each name. And as I mentioned, if you visit namingforce.com, you can just scroll down to see the winners. You can see all of these folks earning hundreds or even $500 for a single name they submit by going to the winners area, over here. Therefore, you can simply ask GPT when you wish to respond to some of those confessions by going to his chat page. They require a name for a barbershop, for instance. Therefore, you may simply ask him, "Can you offer any names for a barbershop business?" Then it will probably give you a list of a few viable names, and you can just pick the best one from the list that this AI bot provides. After that, you can send the name back to Naming Force and perhaps earn hundreds of dollars. As you can see, it thus indicates that I'll provide you a few suggestions for names of barbershop companies. Making faceless YouTube automation videos or simply making YouTube videos in general is the third technique to employ this AI bot to earn money online. So what you can do is you can run a YouTube channel which you can then monetize it without revenue with CP marketing, affiliate marketing, brand deals, by promoting your own products, whatever that might be. If you want to start your own channel, You can just go over to ChatGPT and you can ask him to write different YouTube scripts for you. So for example, you can ask him, can you write a YouTube script? So I'm going to ask him to create a YouTube script that, for instance, lists 5 facts about dogs. Therefore, he will immediately begin building a YouTube script that you may use to create a genuine YouTube video, whether it will be a faceless video or your own video. Either compose a whole screenplay and then hire a voice actor to do it for you, or develop an outline with bullet points so you can film the video yourself. So there you have it. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about 5 facts about dogs that you might not have known. Even has an intro for the video and then it just goes through these different facts. The 4th website is tax broker. You can also use freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and so on. And as you can see, the piece he is producing is of a really good caliber and level of depth, which is something I really like about the bot. Finding the phrases for various firms at Slogan Slingers is another option to earn money with this chatbot. Therefore, identifying for us the first website that we discussed is pretty similar to what Slogan Slingers did. And this is a place where firms will simply visit to get various slogan suggestions for their firms. For instance, if someone is opening a barbershop, they need a slogan that will appear below the barbershop's name and beneath the emblem. They will just pay me and you to suggest slogans for them. Additionally, you may get up to $1,000 for each submitted slogan. So what you can do is click, create a slogan, and then click again to sign up. Then, you can just ask ChatGPT, an AI chatbot, to provide you some tagline suggestions. Therefore, you may just approach to him and ask him, can you give me ideas for slogans for my barbershop business? He will then provide you a variety of ideas, which you can simply copy and post on Slogan Slingers for the chance to earn hundreds of dollars every phrase that you submit. The 5th way we're going to talk about and how to use this bot to make money online is by selling services on different freelancing platforms, including Fiverr, including Upwork, People Per Hour, Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, a lot of different websites. You can find at least 20 different websites where you can sell the same services by searching for Fiverr alternatives. However, in essence, you may go to Fiverr and offer numerous writing-related services, such as sales, copywriting, writing, and translation. All of these distinct services, including transcription, employment, resume writing, translation, proofreading, and editing. These are all the many tasks that your AI bot is capable of performing for you. You can get a free virtual assistant to help you with all of these tasks. Then you may offer those services on these various freelance marketplaces for $15, $25, or $40 a piece. And because you won't be performing the labor yourself, you'll be able to provide these services very quickly. Going to Google and starting emailing all of the different companies listed there is another approach to earn money with this chatbot. For instance, you could use Google to look for a barbershop anywhere in the globe. Like look up various companies, such as a barbershop, a coffee shop, a restaurant, a gym, a dentist, a gift store, a cookie shop, or any other type of establishment. You just do a search for various companies in various locations across the world. Simply do a search for several companies. And suppose, for instance, that you want to sell them certain services that are, say, connected to appearing higher on Google. Consequently, you aim to improve their Google ranking. Their email addresses, which are often included at the bottom of the page, are accessible. I'll, for instance, try to locate their contact information. I'll therefore go to this page's contact information where I'm likely to locate their email address and use it to send them a message. Here, I may send an email. And instead of thinking of an email, I did. I can just return to this AI bot and ask him to compose a whole email that I can send to a company to offer them a certain service. You may simply specify the kind of service you wish to offer before submitting those emails. So you can really hire someone to compose emails for you, which you can then use to contact different companies and market various goods and services. And the last way that we're going to talk about and how to use this bot to make money online is selling various items to earn money with this AI bot. You can thus visit many websites, such as List Wars. Listwars.com is a website where users may post their articles on the top 10, for instance, facts about a certain topic or the top 10 odd facts about animals, among other topics. And what you can do is click on the right button when you are in the More part over here to get paid. Additionally, you are eligible to get $100 for each article you submit. $100 for each piece, or about 1,000 words. You may just submit this post by going to the submissions page over here. You may just check out what other guys are contributing by going back. So I'll just use the same title if I open up, say, this one. Of course, you'll need to think of anything original, so simply ask him if he'll write an essay for us. Then you'll just respond to the headline by saying that 10 times as many milliliters were utilized for items. I can just ask him to write an essay on this, and if he agrees, I can submit it to List Words in the hopes of earning $100 for it. And there are many of these other websites that you may utilize to write articles to earn money online. Furthermore, this AI bot will complete the task for you so you don't have to. I really hope this video was helpful to you in some way. I sincerely hope you gained some new knowledge. If you did, please hit like, and I'll talk to you again soon.